Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing? So about 3 weeks ago, a fellow called me out of Costa Mesa, and his dad had an antique safe on the back porch, which they wanted to do a full restoration. So I went to pick it up, and they're talking to me, well, you know, can we be there when it gets opened? And we don't know if there's anything in it. I'm like, well, I don't know. I said, if you want to come down, but I can't tell you when we're going to try to get in it because we're busy. So today we had a little bit of time, and Jeff has now drilled some holes in it so we can get to the mechanism. So we're
Has this happened before with Akbar or somebody else, where somebody thinks something in?
And if you look at any of our past videos, Akbar brought a cannonball safe in. He brought from back east, and we drilled it out just so he could look in it because he thought something was in it, and there was nothing in it.
For those of you, Akbar is American Ninja Warrior.
Akbar is American Ninja Warrior. So his thing was a bust. So now we got this one. Now we are going to open it for the first time here and see if there's anything in it, and we'll see what's up here. So we got it drilled, and we're ready to get this puppy open. So here we go. It's feast or famine here for these fellas.
This is like Al Capone's safe.
This is
it can be a big zero in it, like everyone else we've ever opened up here.
99% of them have nothing in it, or 150% have nothing in it. It's rare that you're going to find anything in it because they empty them out, you know, before they walk off from them. But this one was at a house, and once again, they didn't know. They just didn't know. And
well, we got two numbers like that.
Got two numbers of that. We're gonna find out here.
Guess what, guys?
You got it.
It's open.
All right, he's got it. He's got it. Let's see what's up.
Now, 90% of the time, there is nothing in here. If there isn't, it's trash.
We'll say 100% of the time after you open it.
Oh, man!
What's up, baby?
It's a first! It is a first!
You gotta be kidding me.
There is first freaking silver. Oh, shit. This guy's got gold. Somebody better give him a telephone call.
Look at here.
Oh, wow. God dang.
Gold. Gold.
Dude,
What do we got in here, dog?
There's like silver and silver. Looks like silver dollars, half dollars.
Oh, they're Kennedy halves, silver Kennedy halves.
Yeah.
A bunch of them.
Bag of them. Who collected these things? Boy, this guy's
cool
gonna be
is
happy.
that? Yeah, they didn't have any idea if there's anything in it. And lo and behold,
Okay, wait a minute. Let's see if there's anything. Oh my lord.
nothing.
I cannot believe this.
Wow.
I've had to open, I can't tell you how many safes. And, oh man.
So we got a bunch of nice gold
There's
coins
gold,
here.
man. This is
Look
all
at this.
gold.
It's all gold here. This guy, they didn't know if there's anything in it, but yeah. And this came out of a really nice house in
I
Costa
don't know
Mesa.
why he was collecting a 1960 penny.
So the moral of the story, everyone, is that you never know when you open up these safes what you're going to get. And of course, we're going to call the client up right now and let him know he's hit a little pay dirt. Stay tuned to see what we do on the restoration of this safe.
Nice.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.